Guys, this is Total Redline here at Cars and Coffee Dallas. Today, what is the month? September. Today is September 1st, and we have some parking lot cars. Look at this Nissan GTR and a Corvette ZR1 parking lot cars. GTR. So I'm not here crazy early, but I'm here where the crowd is still coming in. So I definitely haven't missed anything like last time. Yo, Corvette on Corvette on Corvette. This is the gang you want to be in for speed, and it's just a sexy overall car that you cannot deny. Look at this. Tell me that's not sexy. And we got a ZR1. Oh my gosh. Alright, you got the carbon fiber supercharger cover. Giant S-Wing. Hello again, y'all. Boy has a supercharged Cadillac engine. That is, I don't even know what to say about that. Wow. Finished. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's hear it. I love your interior. Alright, leaving vet heaven, we're gonna enter the rest of the show. Oh, we're in Mustang section now, good lord. White 108, yeah. Cobra. Man, this is nice right here. Very red. With an exhaust. Oh wow, Chevy GT500. Actually authentic. Wow, this is really, really clean. Look at this. Even to the interior. Yeah, that is very good looking. Yep. The idle on this Mustang GT500 is ridiculous. Wow, that is insanely loud. Oh, okay, we got a built Focus RS. Look at this. Dang, that's show car right there. That's a show car right there. Look at the carbon fiber everywhere.
Yeah, look, that's it.
Holy mother. Panda Motorworks, okay. So would you rather have the GT500 or this built Focus RS? You decide in the comment section. Alright, so I'm in Mustang and JDM heaven. We're gonna get some epic shots of the supercars coming up. Then at the end of the video, you already know there's going to be takeoffs. Wow, that is beautiful right there. See, I love cars like that. The straight up drift cars right here. I think the Fox body's a little underrated. It looks extremely nice. You never see any clean ones, but this is probably the cleanest Fox body I've seen. Look how like unique and just, this is a Mustang GT, guys. You got to get your Nissan GTR today. All right, so we got Skittles. That's pretty clean.
Nice, man, I like it.
A Viper right here. I love my Vipers. Supercharged Viper. Whew, that's an engine right there. You know I freaking love the clean ACR. Oh Lord. What a track car right here it is. Alright, we got a GT2 RS today. You know the carbon fiber on this thing is insane. We got the red interior, making it a Wyasash package. I think this is like the F40 of Porsches right here. It's pretty epic. We got a Mercedes AMG GTR right here. and a Lamborghini Aventador S, looking clean. I'm really excited to see the rest of the supercars and just have a great day. Okay, that's pretty badass. What do I even say about that? Breathtaking. So yeah, that's probably the best sounding V12 I have heard.
I don't care what I gotta do, I gotta get one.
Don't even know what this is. That is insane though. I can't tell if these are genuine modifications or ricer parts, but they are all carbon fiber and it is extremely loud. So this may be one of my favorite 4GT colors now that I'm seeing it in real life. Man, that is flashy. Look at this, guys. I absolutely adore this. So we got GTR for days. Here's a Nismo. So here's a good spec on the 720S. Looks like the Porsche Martini version of McLaren. Hey, doggy. It's beautiful. Woo! There we go. Hey, look what we have here. Rev, please. Woo!
He's the head the black edition. This is probably one of my favorite cars.
Y-sock patches. This is a new white F12. Alright, so we have the car, but not the man. Rev to Redline here. Check him out on YouTube. You got the carbon fiber side skirts that he recently put in. Rev to Redline, that is a clean GTR. That's all I can say. Oh God. See now? Oh, that's the thumbnail. Next to the cop, right next to the cop. There's one over there. And Alright, so currently we're in a line of people, as you can see, and we're just looking at all the cars going by. Maybe I could do... We'll see how it goes. People are two-stepping over there. It's really crazy right now, at least in the other part of the meet. Chris NYC. Look at that rig. How's it going, my guy?
Going good. It's been way too hot. I've been sick last week, so little handshake.
All right, yeah, for sure.
Turn that volume down.